I have always wanted to live on the road. I think it's just a lot easier because you can just wake up and be in a beautiful location. You just open your door and you're always in a new location.
I grew up in a really small town, so basically as soon as I could leave, I wanted to be anywhere that wasn't there.
This really allowed me to hone in on my creativity, to be able to custom build a home and design it exactly the way it fit my lifestyle. It was just perfect.
You just got to do it. You know, for me, looking back, buying the schoolie, I had no idea what I was getting myself into. I had friends and family think that I was crazy. I remember sitting at the Thanksgiving table with my family and I told them I bought a home and then being super ecstatic, but then them telling them it was a school bus. So it was a work in progress of just kind of figuring out like, you know, what makes me truly happy, and it, you know, comes with a lot of just going with your gut and listening to your heart and what you truly want to do, and don't kind of listen to the outside noise. Listen to that internal piece that's saying, hey, I want to lead you to that direction.
What van life has done is given me the tools and like confidence that I can face anything head on. Like, I know myself better now than I ever have in my entire life. And it's just been really awesome to kind of get to connect with people who are doing the same thing, or maybe, yeah, are asking the same questions and want to go down this path of what else is out there in life.
So right now, being that we have this bus and we can go out and have all types of fun as we plan our next trip to wherever our hearts may lead us.